Looking to improve your Chevy Silverado 1500's performance? Check out this list of the best cold air intakes for Chevy Silverado 1500's. These intakes will help your truck run better by adding more power and fuel efficiency, and they're easy to install, making them a great option for anyone looking to improve their truck's performance. So let's get started with the list. List number 1. K&N Cold Air Intake Kit High Performance. K&N air intake systems are engineered for increased performance, outstanding durability and sleek aesthetics. Our cold air systems have an improved airflow formula with a unique shaped tube design that provides guaranteed increase in horsepower and torque. Constructed of the synthetic high-flow filter supplied by K&N, this filter provides additional protection against harmful dirt particles without sacrificing performance. Designed as an easy-to-install, low-cost upgrade that dramatically increases performance, your car or truck will breathe new life into your engine. No matter what type of car, truck or SUV you drive, you can benefit from a K&N cold air intake system. Designed to increase airflow and horsepower, these units take your vehicle's performance to the next level. Made from the highest quality materials and designed with an engineering that focuses on ease of installation, this kit delivers great looks that will impress your friends and family. It is engineered for outstanding durability and superior filtration to help provide the power you need for added performance. List number 2. 4. Cold Air Intake System Kit Compatible. The BBK 4 inches Cold Air Intake System improves throttle response and horsepower, while significantly reducing fuel temperatures. Our cold air intake system kit features larger 3.5 smooth tubing with 47% greater surface area compared to the competition. This increase in surface area increases power by allowing better oxygenation of combustion gases. Also, our kits are engineered to flow more efficiently than your cars from the factory, and we've got everything you need to install it. This kit is designed to help your engine draw in more cold air, resulting in better throttle response and higher explosive horsepower output. It protects the filter from dirt and debris and to keep hot underhood air away from the element for a cooler intake air charge. At the same time, it will help you increase your horsepower output by burning more fuel because of its efficient design that is built for performance enhancement through its large diameter smooth tubes. List number 3. Moosun 4 inches Cold Air Intake System Heat Shield. Moosun Cold Air Intake System is a complete and efficient way of modifying your car engine. This Moosun intake system is designed to increase the performance, improve the fuel flow, and avoid any smoke or stinky exhaust. With Moosun air intake, you'll enjoy better acceleration and more power. Each Moosun air intake comes with an easy installation alongside quality materials that make the best possible cold air intake for you. Moosun is a manufacturer of air intakes, performance mufflers and exhaust systems. They specialize in stainless steel fabrication as well as making their titanium parts in-house. All Moosun products are made with the highest quality materials available, including 100% 304L food-grade stainless steel for heat shielding and an aluminum heat shield relieving internal engine components from additional heat and preventing them from overheating. List number 4. Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit High Performance. Spectre Performance Air Intake Kits are designed to get more horsepower and torque from your vehicle while working to protect your engine from harmful debris. This air intake system comes with a washable, reusable low-restriction Spectre air filter, polished aluminum intake tubing and a black powder-coated heat shield to help prevent heated engine air from entering the intake inlet. The kit includes couplers, stainless steel clamps, bracket and coupler hardware. This AF indoor racing system is built on the foundation of OE fit and function, but adds some bolt-on aerodynamic features for performance and style. Spectre Race Series systems come with a washable, reusable low-restriction Spectre air filter, polished aluminum inlet tubing and a black powder-coated heat shield to help prevent heated engine air from entering the intake port. Designed for the modern auto enthusiast, Spectre Performance Air Intake Kits offer more horsepower and torque than other systems. Spectre Performance Intakes are washable reusable filters that add to the look of your vehicle without compromising performance. Our intake tubes are made from polished aluminum tubing and include a heat shield to prevent heated engine air from entering into the intake inlet. List number 5. Black Horse Racing 4 inches Cold Air Intake System Kit. The Black Horse Racing Cold Air Intake System is a state-of-the-art filtration system that features thousands of microscopic cotton fibers to shield your engine from contaminants. The filter can increase horsepower and torque by 8–10% for a more complete power band. The kit also includes a steel heat shield installed on the end of the filter with a durable carbon black powder coating for long-lasting good looks and protection from dirt and debris, as well as keeping hot underhood air away from the element for cooler intake air charge. Innovative design features 3 layers of oiled cotton media combined with a high-quality, dust-proof polycarbonate construction for maximum airflow and protection. This kit will increase horsepower, flow more air and provides better performance all around the engine. The high-quality components create a strong air charge and ease the way for massive horsepower gains. This kit features a heat shield to keep engine temps down while providing extra protection against dirt and debris.